Choosing the right email marketing tool can feel like picking a streaming service. Too many options, and they all claim to be the best. Aweber and Omnisend might both help you grow your email list and automate campaigns, but they serve very different types of businesses. One is a trusted classic that keeps things simple, while the other is built for e-commerce brands that need powerful automation. So how do you know which one's right for you and which one's easier to use? Let's break it all down. What Aweber and Omnisend are best for. Aweber is best for small businesses, solopreneurs, bloggers, and content creators who need a simple, no-fuss way to send emails and build a list. It's been around since 1998, which means it's one of the oldest email marketing platforms out there. And with that kind of experience, you know what you're getting. A solid, easy-to-use tool that does what it's supposed to do without overwhelming you with features you don't need. Omnisend, on the other hand, is built for e-commerce businesses. It's designed to help online stores drive sales through email, SMS, and push notifications. The biggest difference here is that Omnisend isn't just an email marketing tool. It's a full-blown marketing automation platform that helps businesses reach their customers across multiple channels. So right from the start, you can see the difference. If you're a blogger or a coach who just wants to simply send newsletters and follow up emails, Aweber is probably a better fit. But if you're running an online store and you want to set up abandoned cart emails, product recommendations, or SMS follow-ups, Omnisend gives you way more flexibility. Email editor and customization. Aweber keeps things pretty simple here. It has a drag and drop editor that lets you build emails without needing to know how to code. You can also choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates, which is great if you don't want to spend too much time designing your emails completely from scratch. But here's the thing, Aweber's templates feel a little outdated. If you're looking for something sleek and modern, you might find yourself wanting more. Now, Omnisend, on the other hand, takes email design to the next level. It offers a lot more customization options and gives you interactive features like product pickers, discount codes, and even gamification elements like spin the wheel offers. This makes it a really powerful tool if you're running an online store because it lets you engage customers directly inside the email instead of just sending them some static messages. Another key difference is how each platform handles mobile optimization. Omnisend lets you fully customize the mobile layout of your emails, while Aweber just automatically resizes your design. This means you have more control over how your emails look on different devices if you go with Omnisend. If design is important to you, or you're selling products and you want to include interactive elements in your emails, Omnisend is definitely the better choice. But if you want something quick and easy, Aweber still gets the job done. Automation and segmentation. Aweber does offer automation, but it's pretty basic. You can create simple autoresponders like a welcome email sequence that goes out after someone signs up for your list. You can also tag subscribers based on certain actions, but the triggers and conditions are pretty limited. Omnisend, on the other hand, gives you a full visual automation builder that lets you map out complex customer journeys. Let's say someone adds a product to their cart but doesn't check out. Omnisend lets you automatically send them a reminder email followed by an SMS message if they still haven't purchased. If they do buy, you can set up a follow-up sequence to send them product recommendations or a thank you discount. This kind of behavior-based automation is a huge advantage if you're running an e-commerce store because it lets you target people based on what they're actually doing on your site. Aweber just doesn't offer this level of segmentation or automation, so if that's important to you, Omnisend is the clear winner. Pricing and value. Taking a look at Aweber, they have a very straightforward pricing model. They have the free plan here, and like I said, it's good for up to 500 subscribers. You get one email list, one landing page, one email automation, and basic email support. Not bad for a free plan. Moving on to their light plan, this starts at $15 per month, and you can send 10 times subscriber max monthly. So basically what that means is if you have 500 subscribers, you get 5,000 email sends, and that's $15 per month for an annual cost of $150. And here's just a look at the rest of their list. So for example, if you have 5,000 subscribers, you can send 50,000 emails with a monthly cost of $60 and an annual cost of $600. Right now, this is set to 500 subscribers, so all of these pricing will be for 500 subscribers. So now on the light plan, you get one email list, 3 landing pages, 3 email automations, 3 users, 1 custom segment, 24/7 support, and advanced message analytics. The plus plan starts at $30 per month for 500 500 subscribers, and you can send 12 times the subscriber max monthly, unlimited email lists, unlimited landing pages, unlimited email automations, unlimited custom segments, unlimited users, priority 24/7 support, advanced reporting and analytics, advanced landing page features, sales tracking, and low transaction fees, and it removes the Aweber branding. Now, the unlimited plan is for those who have over 100,000 subscribers, so we're probably not going to focus on that right now, but as you can see, if we go ahead and move this slider so the number of subscribers go up, you can start to see how Aweber's pricing plan scales. So taking a look at Omnisend's plans, again, they have a free plan which is good for up to 250 contacts, and you can send 500 emails per month, 500 web push notifications per month. You get 50 published reviews on Shopify, and you get $1 in free SMS to go ahead and try that out. Now, their standard plan starts at $16 per month and is good for up to 500 contacts. You can send 6,000 emails per month, unlimited web push notifications, 1,000 published reviews on Shopify, and once your plan reaches $400 per month or more, you get a dedicated success manager. You also get 24/7 priority support and $1 in free global SMS to try. Now, for the Pro plan, this starts at $59 per month and is good for 2,500 contacts. You can send unlimited emails, web push notifications, and publish reviews to Shopify. You also get that success manager once you hit the $400 per month mark, and 24/7 priority support with advanced reporting. Now, the Pro plan, you get a monthly bonus in global SMS credits equal to your monthly payment plan. So, for instance, if you pay $59 per month, you get $59 in global SMS credits. If you decide to save some money by paying 3 months up front, you can save 30%, which brings this plan down to $41.30 per month. And that also brings your monthly bonus to $41.30 in global SMS credits. Just something to keep in mind. Now, if you want to get started with Omnisend, we'll have a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here where you can get started for free. And if you want to get started with Aweber, we'll also have a link for them down in the description as well, which will bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and get started. Now, for most small businesses, Aweber is the more budget-friendly option, while Omnisend is worth it if you're making enough sales to justify the higher costs. So, which one should you choose? If you're just getting started with email marketing, or if you don't need a bunch of fancy features, then Aweber is a completely solid choice. It's easy to use, affordable, and it does all the basic things well. But if you're serious about e-commerce marketing and you want a tool that can help you increase sales through automation, SMS, and advanced segmentation, then Omnisend is the better investment. But what if you're just starting out? If I were new to email marketing, I'd maybe start with Aweber. It's easier to learn, has a low barrier to entry, and lets you quickly set up and send emails without diving too deep into complex automation. That way, you can build confidence in your email marketing before moving on to something more advanced. However, if you're already running an e-commerce store and you want to scale with automation right away, Omnisend is worth the investment. So hopefully this helped you figure out which email marketing tool is the right fit for your business. If you're still on the fence, my advice would be to try both and see which one feels better to use. And if you want to get started with either Omnisend or Aweber, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.